How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change the country on Amazon Prime Video. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change the country on Amazon Prime Video, you have to understand that your Amazon Prime Video account comes from your base Amazon account. So to change the country on Amazon Prime Video, you have to change the country on your Amazon account. So I want you to simply go ahead and then open the Amazon application that you have. Then you want to simply come to this little account button that you can find it here. Then you just want to scroll down right on this case, and then you want to look for this option called your account and then go for it. Once you go to the your account option, just scroll down to the bottom until you find this option called manage content and devices, and then just tap on it. Then when you go to this option called manage content and devices, you're going to see this type of interface where you simply need to go to the preferences tab. And once you go to this option called preferences over here, what you need to do is you just need to look for this option called country or region settings. You want to make sure to just select this option and hit the option called change raw. As you can see, my current country, just tap on the change option. Now you can just select a new country and the address that you'd like, and then you can simply go ahead and then save your changes, and that way the changes will also reflect on your Prime Video and all over the Amazon marketplace. So hope this video helped you as to how you can change the country in Amazon Prime Video. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.